The arrival of the J-20S fighter jet has once again shaken up the global military landscape. This is not only due to its futuristic appearance, but also due to the strategic message it conveys. China wants to demonstrate that it is no longer a mere spectator in the struggle for global air dominance, but is ready to become an equal rival to the United States. Many observers consider the J-20S a significant leap forward compared to its predecessor, the standard J-20. Some even call it a 5.5 generation aircraft, a term reflecting its position between the current 5th generation F-22 and F-35 and the 6th generation aircraft still under development. China has often been labeled as relying solely on copycat techniques from foreign technology. However, the J-20S marks a new chapter. This aircraft is not simply here to catch up, but to lead. The biggest change is seen in the two-seat configuration. The first pilot focuses on flight and maneuvers, while the second pilot controls the combat system. Their role is no small matter, controlling escort drones, controlling electronic warfare, and processing intelligence data in real time. With this concept, the J-20S is not just a jet, but an airborne command center capable of controlling the entire battle. It's no wonder that many analysts see the J-20S as a symbol of China's shifting strategy. From simply following foreign technology, China is now asserting itself as an innovator, leading the direction of future air warfare. The J-20S's 5.5 generation designation is not without reason. While 5th generation jets emphasize stealth, modern sensors, and supercruise speed, the J-20S adds an additional layer: full human integration with digital systems and combat networks. The two-person crew allows for complex mission coordination. They can lead air operations alongside drones, launch precision strikes on ground targets, disrupt enemy radar with electronic warfare, and remain ready to fight in close-range aerial combat. All of this makes the J-20S more like an air control center than a conventional fighter. With its capabilities, the J-20S can be seen as a gateway to the 6th generation, not simply an upgrade from the 5th generation. To achieve this ambition, the J-20S is equipped with the latest technology. Its main advantages include a multi-target AESA radar, electro-optical sensors, and infrared sensors, said to be capable of detecting enemy stealth jets. This makes the J-20S not only a hunter, but also an intelligence eye in the sky. In terms of weapons, its internal compartments maintain stealth while accommodating modern missiles. The long-range PLACE-15 short-range PL-10 and precision air-to-ground missiles are ready to support a variety of missions. Another determining factor is the WS-15 engine. When functioning optimally, this engine delivers high power with efficient fuel consumption, enabling supercruise without afterburners. This advantage is crucial for long-range operations in vast areas such as the Pacific Ocean. When pitted against the F-35, the philosophical differences are clear. The F-35 relies on advanced software, integration with allied networks, and multi-role flexibility. However, its limited range makes it heavily reliant on collective operations. In contrast, the J-20S is designed as a standalone platform. With its long-range drone control capabilities and high speed, it fits China's strategy of emphasizing operational autonomy in the Indo-Pacific. This contrast reflects two strategies: America's reliance on a global network of allies, while China's focus on building a dominant aircraft that can operate independently. Both are equally dangerous, with outcomes that could alter the balance of global air power. Although the official budget has not been released, the production cost of the J-20S is estimated to be lower than that of American fighter jets. This provides a significant advantage, as it allows China to mass-produce it to accelerate Air Force modernization. China's consistent increase in military spending demonstrates the country's commitment to developing advanced combat technology. With this strategy, they are increasingly prepared to challenge the United States' dominance in global air power. The J-20S is not just a continuation of the J-20, but a symbol of China's grand strategic shift. This aircraft proves that the future of air warfare is no longer determined solely by speed or stealth technology, but rather by the ability to integrate humans, machines, AI, and combat drones into a single entity. Now, the key question is not simply whether the J-20S can defeat the F-35, but when it will truly shake up the global air power landscape. When that day comes, the world must prepare for a new era of air dominance.